Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove sections on your Facebook profile. To do that, click your profile on the left hand side as you can see, and here you'll be on your Facebook profile. And there are multiple sections. Now to add and remove a section, go ahead and click where it shows more. You have a drop down there, and if you scroll down, you'll have an option that says manage sections. You click on that, and here are a handful of sections that you can literally add and remove from your page. So for example, if you want to remove reels and you want to remove check-ins and you want to go down and you want to remove whatever it is that you want to remove, right? You can go ahead and uncheck them and they will be removed from your Facebook page. So I'm going to remove everything and then click on save, and you will notice that these sections are removed from your page in general. And that's it. At any point in time you want to add back, you do the same, follow the steps, and go ahead and just kind of check those ones. So if I want to add check-ins, I can click and I can click save, and as you can see, for example, check-ins now showing back in the options here. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.